Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Cutting into pork and seeing a pink center can feel alarming, but color alone doesn't tell you whether it's safe to eat. So why can pork stay pink even when it's fully cooked? Today we're breaking down why pork can remain rosy at safe temperatures, how muscle chemistry, pH, and curing compounds all influence color long after the meat is cooked. You slice into a pork chop or tenderloin and notice a blush of pink, even though the outside looks perfectly cooked. Sometimes the meat stays pink near the bone, sometimes throughout the center, and sometimes it turns fully white. People often assume pink equals raw, but its color is far more variable and influenced by factors beyond temperature. Pork can stay pink because of myoglobin, the pigment that gives meat its color. Different pigs have different myoglobin levels, and younger animals naturally have paler meat. When pork cooks, myoglobin changes color based on temperature, acidity, and how the meat was handled. A slightly higher pH can keep pork pink even when it reaches a safe internal temperature. Cured or brined pork can also stay pink because nitrites stabilize myoglobin, preventing it from turning gray. Even bone marrow can leak pigments into the surrounding meat, creating a pink ring that looks undercooked but isn't. The key is temperature. Once pork reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, and rests, it's safe, regardless of color. Use a thermometer instead of judging by appearance. If your pork hits the proper temperature, a little pink is not only safe, but often juicier and more flavorful. The old rule to cook pork until it's completely white came from concerns about trichinella, a parasite that has been virtually eliminated in commercial pork for decades. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.